Welcome to Akshaya channel. Please subscribe my channel. Which is the hottest planet? Options A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Mercury, D. Uranus. Answer is Venus. Which is the farthest planet in the solar system? Options A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. Answer is D. Neptune. Which is the coldest planet in the solar system? Options A. Uranus, B. Mercury, C. Saturn, D. Neptune. Answer is A. Uranus. Which is the closest planet to the Sun? Options A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Mercury, D. Jupiter. Answer is C. Mercury. Which is the brightest planet in the solar system? Options A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Mercury. Answer is A. Venus. Which planet is green? Options A. Uranus, B. Pluto, C. Saturn, D. Venus. Answer is A. Uranus. Which planet having rings around? Options A. Venus, B. Saturn, C. Neptune, D. Jupiter. Answer is B. Saturn. In which planets in between the asteroids belt? Options A. Uranus, Pluto, B. Jupiter, Saturn, C. Mars, Jupiter, D. Venus, Mercury. Answer is C. Mars, Jupiter. Which planet is called red planet? Options A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Saturn, D. Neptune. Answer is B. Mars. Which is the biggest planet in the solar system? Options A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. Answer is A. Jupiter. What is the solar system? Options A. Sun 6 planets, B. Sun and 9 planets, C. Sun and 8 planets, D. Sun and 7 planets. Answer is C. Sun and 8 planets. Which is called the blue planet? A. Saturn, B. Mars, C. Earth, D. Uranus. Answer is C. Earth. Which is the natural satellite of Earth? Options A. Aryabhata, B. Mangal, C. Moon, D. Bhaskara. Option C. Moon. What is our galaxy name? Options A. Milky Soft, B. Milky Miss, C. Milky Way, D. Milk Root. Answer is C. Milky Way.